Hey everyone, it's Mickey Renee. Thanks for joining me. If you're new, welcome. If you're returning, thank you so much for coming back. Today we're making guacamole, one of our favorite appetizers to have, especially in the summer. People make it lots of different ways. Here's how we like it. Keep it simple. Let's get into it. All right, so I've got all of my ingredients in here. I've got 3 ripe avocados, 1 vine-ripened tomato. I've got half a lime, but I have another lime on standby just in case I feel like it needs more. I've also got a little more juice in this one. I've got 2 jalapenos. Sometimes I use 1, sometimes I use 2, depending on how much I'm making and depending on how spicy they are. And then I've got about 1/4 of a red onion. And then I'd say about 1/2 to 3/4 of a cup of chopped cilantro. If you don't like cilantro, by all means leave it out. We love it, so we put it in. By the way, I don't own a masher. I like to mash with a whisk. It works great. This is kind of a stiff one, so my whisks probably don't last as long, but I really don't like using a masher. A whisk works great. It also fits in the utensil holder better. So I just kind of mash and stir. We like it a little bit chunky, but not too chunky. A little bit creamy and a little bit chunky. So I think we might be good on the consistency. Sometimes you gotta stir, scraping the bottom. Yeah, there's still a few chunks in there, so let's mash a little bit more. Then we're gonna add our salt. We're gonna give it a taste test. Cook's privilege. Okay, I think that's good. Perfect. So you can see this consistency is creamy yet chunky at the same time. This is how we like it, nice and thick. Now I'm gonna add some salt. It was probably about a little less. I'm probably adding about a quarter cup, a quarter teaspoon. Get that salt all incorporated. All right, taste test. Get out of town. So good. I'm gonna put just a pinch more salt in it. Okay, 2 pinches. The lime is good. Matter of fact, I probably would have used a little less. I guess that half a lime was pretty big, but it's still delicious. Get the rest of that salt incorporated. The real taste test is eating it with a chip. I like to use these Tostitos scoops, but use any kind of chips you like. In fact, you can also use tostada shells. Some people like to do that. So good. Guacamole. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you found this useful. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn that notification bell on so you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. I'll see you next time. Live your best life.